Welcome dear student. Let's start solving today practice set 3.4. Okay, so student, we have started lesson arithmetic progression and we have completed 3 practice set in our previous video. Okay, and let's start solving today practice set 3.4. Okay, so student, this practice set 3.4 is based on application of arithmetic progression or AP. Okay, and here we will use two types of formula, that is formula for term and number of term, and for second formula is to calculate for the sum of n terms. Okay, and Tn formula is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and formula of Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right, so let's start solving question number 1. All right, so what is question number 1? So student, question number 1 is on 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day and rupees 12 on third day. All right, and if she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? That means here we have to calculate total saving. Now total saving, that means here SN, sum. Okay, so here we will calculate sum. So student, in 1 year there are 365 days. Okay, and here year is given, that is 2016 is given. So we will first check whether this 2016 is leap year or not, because if leap year will be there, then total 366 days will be there in 1 year. So how we will check this? So if the year, we will divide the year, I am solving here, we will divide the year 2016 by 4. Okay, and if the year will be divisible by 4, then it will be leap year. Okay, so let's divide 2016 by 4. So while dividing, it will be 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 4 4s are 15. All right, that means this 2016 is easily divisible by 4. That means this year will be leap year. And in leap year, how many days will be there? In a month of Feb, there are 29 days. Okay, so total 366 days are there in a leap year. So 2016 is a leap year. So here our n, that is value of n, will be 366. Okay, now let's start solving. Okay, so student, on 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save money in rupees. Money will be in rupees. Okay, and the AP will be that he saves 10 rupees on first day, rupees 11 on second day, 12 on third day, and so on. Okay, and he saves for a 1 year. And here saving of Sanika is an AP. All right, why this is an AP? Because if we will find out the common difference, that will be in AP. So here I am writing here because common difference, that is D, T2 minus T1, it will be, now T2 minus T1 will be 11 minus 10, that is 1, and T3 minus T2, that is 12 minus 11, is also 1. So common difference is same. Okay, common difference is constant, therefore the sequence is in AP. Okay, and Sanika saves a whole year. All right, so she saves for a whole year, and therefore she will save 366 days, because 2016 is a leap year. All right, now let's write all the values. So here we will use this formula of Sn. Okay, so for first we will write Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right, now let's write here first value. So value of n, it will be 366. Okay, 366, value of n will be 366, and first term, that is a, is equals to 10. All right, and the value of d, that is common difference, is equals to 1. All right, and Sn we will calculate. Now here we will write S 366 is equals to n upon 2. Now value of n, it is 366 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 10 plus value of n is again 366 minus 1 into common difference is 1. All right, now 366 divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 3s are 6. That is 183 into bracket 2 multiplied by 10, it will be 20 plus 366 minus 1, it will be 365 and into 1 it will be 365 only. So it will be 365. Okay, now 183 multiplied by 365 plus 20, it will be 385. Now after multiplication, this two term, that is 183 multiplied by 385, we will get the answer as 70455. Okay, so the value of 366 is equals to 70455 rupees. Okay, so here we will write answer in sentence, that is saving of Sanika is 70455 rupees. Alright, so I hope you all have understood this question. Now let's solve question number 2. Alright, student, now let's solve question number 2. So question number 2 is, a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of 1,360 rupees in 12 monthly installment, and each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40, and find the amount of first and last installment. That means here, student, we have to find out your first installment, that means A or T1, and last installment, that is T12. Alright, first and last, that is A and T12. Okay, so let's start solving. Here AP is not given to us, just here it is interest and rupees is given to us. Okay, so let's find all the terms. So student, here I have written some data, that is man borrows rupees 8,000, all right, and he repays this money with rupees 1,360 as an interest, and here principal amount is 8,000. Okay, that means this amount is given as principal amount and interest is this rupees 1,360, and our total, first we will find here total amount. So what will be the total amount? Total amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal amount is 8,000 plus 1,360 rupees. So let's add this. So it will be 0, 3, 0, 6, 3 and 9. So 9,360 rupees it will be total amount. Okay, and this amount he will repay. So here we will write, this will be our total amount. So here we will write that this amount, okay, this amount, that means this 9,360 rupees, this amount he will repay in how many installment? Repay in 12 installment, in 12 installments. All right, and each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. That means this 40 will be our it will be our common difference. Okay, D will be minus 40. Why? Because it is preceding less than the preceding one by rupees 40. That means here we will write D is equals to minus 40. Okay, and let's write further data. So the 12 installment will be in AP. Okay, the 12 installment. So student, in this word problem we have to write each and everything in the statements. All right, so the 12 installments will be in AP, because their common difference is constant. That is, here it is given that each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. So it will be in AP. All right, now here suppose first installment will be A. So here we have to find out first and last installment. Now, so we will write here, suppose first installment is A, and therefore our first term first term is equals to A and D is equals to minus 40. Okay, and value of total amount, that is SN, is this. SN is equals to 9360. Okay, so student, here we will first find A from the formula of SN because total amount is given to us. And from first, when we will get A, value of A from this formula, so we will use the TN formula to find out the last term. Okay, so let's write this. And value of N, what will be the value of N? It will be 12. Value of N will be 12 because total number of installment is 12. So write the formula of SN is equals to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Alright, the value of N is 12 upon 2 and SN, this SN is equals to 9360. And 2A we have to find out plus N 12 minus 1 into common differences minus 40. Alright, so 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 9360 is equals to 6 multiplied by 2A plus, now 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1 will be 11 and 11 multiplied by 40. So it will 11 multiplied by 40, it will be 4 1 0 4 4 1 0. Okay, 440. That means minus 440. Alright. Okay, now student, 9360 divided by 6. So when we will divide it by 9360 by 6, so it will be 6 1s are 6. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 3. 6 5s are 30. Again 3, 6 6 are 36, 0. So it will be equal to 2A plus, 2A minus 440. Alright. Now 1560, this minus will come here, plus 440 is equals to 2A. Then on addition it will be 0. 6 plus 4 10 and again 10 2. That means 2A is equals to 2000. Alright, therefore A is equals to 2000 divided by 2, that is 1000. So from this, here we get the value of first installment, that is 1000 rupees. Alright, now from this value of A we can find out the last installment, that is T12. So let's find. Okay, so Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Alright, so T12 is equals to A we got as 1000 plus N will be 12 minus 1 and common differences multiply by minus 40. Alright, so 1000 minus, okay, this plus minus become minus, 12 minus 1, 11, and again 11 multiplied by 40 will be 440. Okay, now on subtraction, 1000 by 440, with 440 it will be 560. That means the 12th installment is 560 rupees and first installment is 1000 rupees. Alright, so student, you will write answer in sentence. Okay, now let's solve question number 3. So what is question number 3? Alright, so question number 3 is, Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme and in the first year he invested 5000 in the 5000 rupees. In second year he invested rupees 7000. In the third year he invested 9000 and so on. That means this become AP, that is 5000 rupees, 7000 and 9000. Okay, and what is the common difference? 7000 minus 5000, it will be 2000. And find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. So here total amount. Okay, that means here we have to find out S12. Alright, so this is very simple type of a sum. So let's start solving. So student, I have written here some data. So Sachin invested some amount in national certificate scheme. Okay, that is NCS for 12 years. Okay, and he started with rupees 5000 and he invested like 5000, 7000, 9000 and for 12 years. That means this is our AP. And here investment of Sachin is an AP because common difference is constant. So D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to 7000 minus 5000 and T3 minus T2, that 9000 minus 7000, it is also 2000. So here as a common difference is constant, so it will be in AP. So what is our first term? Here we have to find out the, here we will use the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let's write all the data. So n, here value of n will be 12. So he saved for the 12 years, so value of n will be 12, and common difference is 2000. All right, common difference is 2000, and what is value of a? First term will be 5000. All right, so here we have all the values. So let's put this value in the formula. So S12, Sn will be S12, n will be 2 upon 2. 2 multiplied by a value of a is 5000 plus n will be again 12 minus 1, and common difference is multiplied by 2000. All right, so 2 6 are 12, so here it will be 6, and 2 multiplied by 1000 or 5000, it will be 10,000. 2 5s are 10, 10,000 plus 12 minus 1 will be 11, and 11 multiplied by 2000, so it will be 22,000. So what we will do is just we have to add this 0 0 0 2 3, that means 32,000. Okay, so on multiplying this 32,000 with 6, it will be 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19. That means 1,92,000 rupees he saves for the whole year. So S12 value will be 1,92,000. Okay. Okay, now question number 4 is, there is an auditorium with 27 seats. Okay, there is auditorium with 27 rows of seats, and there are 20 seats in the first row, and 22 seats in second row, and 24 seats in the third row, and so on. And find the number of the seats in 15th row. That means here T15 we have to find out first, and also find how many total seats are there in auditorium. Now total seat, there are total 27 rows are there in auditorium. So here we have total seat means S27 we have to find out. So T15 and S27. Let's start solving. So here I have written some data, that is, there are 27 rows of seats in auditorium, and out of 20 seats in first row, 22 seats in second row, and 24 seats in third row. So there are 20, 22, 24 and so on seats on in auditorium. Okay, so first we will find whether the sequence is an AP or not. So here the sequence will the seats, here we will write seats of auditorium are in an AP. Why? Because common difference, that D is T2 minus T1 is equals to 22 minus 20 is 2, and T3 minus T2 also, that is 24 minus 22 is equals to 2. So here the common difference is constant. Okay, so value of D is equals to 4. All right, and value of A is first term is 20. Okay, and what is next? In T15 we have to find out, and value of for T15. Okay, for T15 value of n will be 15. So write the formula of Tn, that is T15 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T15 we have to calculate. First term is 20 plus n is 15 minus 1 into d. Common difference is 2. All right, so 20 plus 14 to 15 minus 1 will be 14, and 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28. So 20 plus 28, it will be 48. So value of T15, there are 48 seats are there in 15th row. Okay, now let's find out the total seats of an auditorium. That is this is the first we have to find out, and for second situation we will write S27 is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for here, for S27 value of n is 27 and 2. Now 2, here value of a will be same, that is 20 plus n is 27 minus 1, and common difference is also same, that is 2. Alright. So 27 upon 2, and here 2 to the 4, that means 40, plus now 27 minus 1, it will be 26, and 26 multiplied by 2 will be 2 6 the 12, 2 to the 4, 5. So it will be 52. Alright, now let's just add it. 40 plus 52 will be 2, 5, 4, 9. So here 92 can be divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 6 are 12. That means 27 it will be 27 multiplied by 46, and value of 27 multiplied by 46 is equals to 1242. That means S27 will be 1242. That means in an auditorium there are 1242 seats are there. Okay, now question number 5 is Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. So Kargil is a region, and temperature of recorded Kargil was recorded for total from Monday to Saturday. Okay, and all readings were in AP. That means their common difference will be same. That is D will be constant. And the sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. So it will be our condition 1. And if the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. So here two conditions are given. First is this, sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. And second is, if Wednesday temperature was minus 30 degree, then we have to find out the other 5 days temperature. Okay, so let's start solving. So here I have written, suppose the temperature of Kargil from Monday to Saturday in degrees Celsius is this, that is A. So A for Monday, A plus D temperature on Tuesday. Okay, and this is for Wednesday, and this is for Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Alright, so these are the 5-day temperature readings in degree Celsius. Okay, so we will take here according to condition number 1, according to first condition. So what is our first condition? That is temperature of sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. That is Monday plus Saturday is 5 more than sum of temperature of Tuesday plus Saturday. So it will be Tuesday plus Saturday. 5 more than, so plus 5. Okay, so on Monday we have temperature as A, and for Saturday temperature is A plus 5D. Okay, and on Tuesday the temperature is A plus D, and on Saturday we have A plus 5D plus 5. So the similar term will get cancelled. So similar term are A, and A will be cancelled, A cancel, and 5D 5D, and here D will be cancelled. Okay, so let's write remaining term. Remaining term are D plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, D is equals to minus 5. So common difference is minus 5. So this is, I am writing here common difference. Okay, so we got the value of common difference. Now according to second condition, what is it? So here second condition is temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Wednesday was minus 30. That means A plus 2D is equals to, sorry, here I am writing Wednesday is equals to minus 30 degrees. Okay, that means plus 2D is equals to minus 30 degree Celsius. It will be minus 30 degrees Celsius. Then A plus, and D we have got as minus 5. That means 2 multiplied by minus 5 is equals to minus 30. That means A minus 5 to the 10 is equals to minus 30. Therefore A is equals to minus 30 plus 10. Therefore A is equals to minus 20. So here we got the value of A and D. Just put up the value in this temperature. So we will get the temperature of all the days. Okay, so for Monday temperature is A, that is minus 20 degrees Celsius, and for Tuesday temperature is A plus D. Value of A is minus 20 plus minus 5. That means minus plus. Okay, so it will be minus 25 degree Celsius. And for Wednesday it is a plus 2d, that means minus d plus 2 by minus, that is minus 20 minus 5 to the 10, it is minus 30 degree Celsius. Thursday it is a plus 3d, that is minus 20 plus 3 into minus 5. So it will be minus 20 minus 5 3 is 15, that is 30 minus 35 degrees Celsius. For Friday the temperature is a plus 4d, that means minus 20 plus 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20 minus 5 4 is 20, that is minus 40 degrees Celsius. And for Saturday temperature is a plus 5d, that is minus 20 plus 5 into minus 5, that is minus 20 minus 25 is equals to minus 45 degrees Celsius. So the temperature will be AP will be minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degree, minus 30 degree, minus 35 degree, minus 40 degree, and minus 45 degree. All right. Okay, question number 6 is, on the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape, and trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row there are three trees are there, and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25. Now total number means S25 we have to find out. Okay, so first we will write according to the given data. So trees are planted in a triangular shape, so such that in first row one tree is planted, in second row two trees are planted, and in third row there are there are three trees are planted. So here it is in triangular shape. Okay, so the trees are planted as 1 2 3 4 and so on. It means one tree in one row and so on. So our AP will be 1 2 3 4 and so on. So here first term A will be 1, and common difference D is equals to T2 minus T1, that is 2 minus 1, it will be D is equals to 1, and N will be 20. Here value of N will be 25. Alright, now let's write the formula of Sn is equals to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so S25 we have to calculate. Okay, so N will be 25 upon 2 multiply by 2 into first term, that is A is 1, plus N is 25 minus 1 into D is also common difference is 1. Okay, so 25 upon 2 multiply by 1 will be 2, plus 25 minus 1 it will be 24, multiply by 1, so 24 only. So it will be 25 upon 2 into 24 plus 2 will be 26. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 25 multiplied by 13. So on multiplying this we will get 325 trees. So S25 value is 325. So there are total number of trees in 25 row is 325 numbers. Okay, so student, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have understood, and next problem set is remaining, that we will cover in next session. Thank you.